today Society Magazine is giving all the person for their leadership award. What would you like to say about it?
I would like to congratulate everyone who got the award, and even the people who have not received it, they are already star because it takes a lot to reach here. And I'm very glad that society is recognizing all this talent and leadership quality from the people. So good luck to all of you. Thank you so much.
How to leadership? What qualities should have you?
You have to be leader, you know, you have to lead the thing and then everything follows. Then we say कि आप चलते चलो कारवां चलता जाएगा. तो जो अपने आप में faith रखते हैं and without any hesitation they keep going and keep moving, they are the leader in front of me, they are the leader according to me. और जो ऐसा सोचते हैं वही आज leadership में आगे बढ़ते हैं. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू
सर सोसाइटी मैगजीन अवार्ड आज लीडरशिप के ऊपर अवार्ड देना जा रहे हैं, तो उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहिए?
First of all, my best wishes for the Society Leader Award. And this is my first time I think I'm joining this. और आप मेरी पिक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई सवाल पूछ दे तो मैं बता दूँ.
सर आपकी लाली की शादी में भी म्यूजिक
Yes, this
टू में भी है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ कहना चाहिए?
The Lali Ki Shadi is releasing on 7th of April this month, coming week. So I think it's a good film. Go and watch. Anything else?
बिकॉज वो सॉन्ग में भारद्वाज जी की सिस्टर ने भी म्यूजिक दिया हुआ है शायद.
विशाल sister.
विशाल सर के सिस्टर ने, तो उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी वो पहली डेब्यू है.
फर्स्ट डेब्यू है विशाल भारद्वाज की सिस्टर का. और गुड न्यूज़ इज़ राहत अली द बैंड सिंगर फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान इज़ कमिंग बैक विद दिस फिल्म अगेन. तो आई थिंक ये एक अच्छा न्यूज़ है इस फिल्म के लिए. सो thank you very much. Thank you and all the best for the society awards. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you are also part of the ceremony. You're being awarded tonight.
Yeah.
Can you want to give a message?
So, to get a leadership award is a good for those who are getting, but it's an inspiration for others to receive this. So I think so by doing all this of award function and everything, this helps other people to grow, to achieve, and get this. This is a good idea.
Thank you, sir. Have a pleasure. Good evening, Meera.
Good evening.
You are part of the ceremony in which capacity? Are you presenting an award or like you're getting an award?
I'm not doing any of it.
Okay, so they have specially called you so that the award ceremony can happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Without you.
It can't happen without me. Pretty girls have to come so that everything goes properly.
Such a fantastic answer.
I'm sure you have plenty of them here today.
No, but like such an honest and truthful answer.
I have to be honest. Eventually the truth will come out, so what's the point of being not honest?
Looking fabulous, as you said, like pretty. So just decode your look for tonight.
I don't remember, it's in my phone.
फोन ले लीजिए, फोन दीजिए. डिजाइनर स्टाइलिश को फोन भी कर लीजिए.
You know, I'm really terrible in these things. I like what I wear, but I'm very bad with names. I'm really good with faces. I'll never forget your face ever now. But names, I keep forgetting. A little bad in that.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Pretty girls get away with anything.
So I'm wearing a dress which is by House of CB. And jewelry by Aquamarine.
Very nice.
Sorry.
Yeah. And any hobbies like do you like singing?
No.
Okay. And what according to you are the qualities of a leader?
I think confidence, honesty, and I think these two are very important. Education is very important because I really believe that a leader who's being followed by so many people, who's an inspiration of so many people, should be educated, should be honest, and should be truthful. So yeah, I think these three things are very important.
And some people are like eager to ask you like where we are supposed to see you next.
Oh, I have just signed an international project. It's a Canadian movie. Hindi movie, I think very soon.
मतलब उन्होंने आपको कुछ टिप्स दिए हैं मतलब प्रियंका ने कि मतलब भाई पहले हॉलीवुड करो.
बहुत सारे टिप्स दिए हैं. Exactly.
कोई एक हमारे से शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप?
उसी ने मेरे को ला के दिया ये प्रोजेक्ट. No, it's not like that. It's just that whatever good comes your way, you should sign it. I'm waiting for something good to happen in Hindi. I think inshallah बहुत जल्दी Bollywood maybe I'll sign something really soon. But this was a Canadian movie which came my way. and it's a very interesting role, and they are showing Indian girl in a very good way. So there was no reason for me to say no, and I'm really excited about that.
Baywatch के जो trailers वगैरह जो अभी तक आए हैं, what's your reaction on those? Like, हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहते थे प्रियंका उसमें दिखे.
I think everybody knows she's a main protagonist. She's like the main villain. It's just that you know how Priyanka works. She has her own marketing scheme. So I think when her trailer will come, it's only gonna be Priyanka. Right now, it's gonna be little chota.
And the bomb.
Then the bomb.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hanji.
Your file handy.
Thank you, guys.
नहीं यार, कोशिश करता हूँ, कुछ करता रहूँ थोड़ा बहुत.
मोदी जी से खास जुड़ गए लगता है सफाई अभियान वगैरह.
That's happened by default. कोशिश की थी कि कुछ करें, and it's worked out quite fine.
हमें बताते लोग कि लीडरशिप में आजकल like he is an example, Mr. Modi.
See, Modi ji is an example everywhere probably today. It's like you are talking about him throughout the globe. And in the years to come, probably he'll be the only man which we are looking at where leadership will really matter.
On the best quality a leader can we have.
Focus. One has to just focus on what you're looking at and ensure that you try and deliver to the best of your abilities.
आपको भी award मिल रहा है आज.
I was told that.
You are getting it. So have a pleasant evening and congratulations.
Thank you so very much, dear. Thank you so much.
अवार्ड देने जा रही है, तो उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहिए?
बहुत अच्छा अवार्ड, और मुझे लगता है मैं हर साल आता हूँ. मेघना पब्लिकेशन सालों से ये अवार्ड करते जा रही है, और इस बात की खुशी है मुझे कि अलग अलग क्षेत्र से, अलग अलग फील्ड से लोगों को अवार्ड मिल रहा है. इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी ओवर हियर, एंड आई अप्रिशिएट मेघना पब्लिकेशन, आरी हीरा जी, to give all the dues to all the people who has been excellent in their fields. Thank you. हाँ, कित जाइए. हाँ, बोलिए.
Good evening. Hi. And good evening, Madhur. Madhur, एक तो मुझे कहना पड़ेगा, आप जो चुनते हैं, like that's a gem. She is a gem, बताओ. She is such a brave girl. आपको याद है वो अपन ने पैंटा में जो बुक स्टोर में you read out the passage. आपको घटना नहीं मालूम है, like I really appreciate that thing, like so bravely you did that thing.
Well, it was just, I think it was a fun evening, and I just took part in that, so thank you.
But it needs nerves of steel to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, आपको
I'm
बात
flattered.
बताइए.
मेरे ख्याल से इंदु सरकार जो हमारी फिल्म है और ख़त्म हो चुकी है, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन वर्क चालू हो चुका है, जुलाई अगस्त में रिलीज़ होगी. जैसे आप लोग ने मेरे ख्याल से जितना इस पिक्चर के बारे में सुना है या इसको जाना है, एक ऐसी फिल्म जो इमरजेंसी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को दर्शाती है. उस वक्त 1975 और 77 के बीच में 19 महीने में क्या गतिविधियाँ हुई, ये उसके ऊपर जो है वो फिल्म है. और डेफिनेटली मेरे ख्याल से आज की युवा पीढ़ी खास करके इस सब्जेक्ट को जानने के लिए उत्साहित है, क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे हुआ क्या था. मैं कितनी जी बताएगी.
इनको कैसे
मुझे लगा कि जो कैरेक्टर है इंदु का, जो इतनी मुझे लगा कि उस कैरेक्टर को जस्टिफाई ये कर पाएगी, और इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा किया। हर फिल्म मेकर के दिमाग में ऐसा होता है कि एक जो उसकी प्रोटैगनिस्ट है वो किस तरह पर्दे पे उसको एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जाएगी, एंड डेफिनेटली खरी उतरी है इस रोल को लेकर, और डेफिनेटली दर्शक भी उसको उतना ही पसंद करेंगे जितना एक फिल्म मेकर का विजन है।
No, I'm not playing a politician. तो जैसा मधुर ने कहा कि फिल्म emergency के टाइम की है, which is basically those 18-19 months of emergency. तो backdrop वो है फिल्म का. I am playing the role of Indu Sarkar, and Indu Sarkar is she has got nothing to do with politics. She's a very normal girl. So the film is her story of she finding herself. So it's a very human story. There's nothing political or anything about it, but the backdrop is political and the backdrop is emergency.
मतलब मिल नहीं पाते आप इन दिनों हमसे, ज़्यादातर एक ही को दे देते हैं आप।
ये ऐसा किसने कहा आपसे स्मित जी? ऐसा हो सकता है मैं मिल नहीं पाता आपको? आप ये कैसे सोचा आपने?
कहाँ कल्याण वगैरह के आगे शूट करते हैं।
चलिए ठीक है।
अच्छा,
नहीं करजत, कल्याण नहीं, करजत में शूट कर रहा हूँ।
मैं आपसे सर ये पूछा था कि लाइक फिर CBFC वापस से अपने मतलब डिसीजंस के ऊपर वो रहता है कि विवादों में रहता है। आपकी फिल्म तो हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं इनको छूती हुई नहीं करती है, तो
नहीं, मेरा भी हमेशा कई बार ऐसा हुआ है। देखिए, अब की सरकार हो, पहले की सरकार हो, CBFC से हमेशा लोगों को प्रॉब्लम रहा है, चाहे चांदनी बार के लिए हो, पेज 3 के लिए, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल के लिए, मुझे हमेशा प्रॉब्लम रहा है। तो ये जो है, मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि CBFC को और थोड़ा मॉडरेट होना चाहिए और थोड़ा पुशिंग द एनवलप वाला जो एक पूरा सिनेरियो में जाना चाहिए, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से स्लोली बदलेगा, टाइम बदलेगा, और डेफिनेटली मैं चाहूँगा कि इससे परिवर्तन आए।
लेकिन जो एपेलेट का डिसीजन आने वाला है शायद लिपस्टिक अंडर द बुर्का का, आपको लगा ये जिस तरह से चीज़ इस घटना पे हुई है वो? देखिए, मैं जिस वक्त ये लिपस्टिक अंडर द बुर्का की बात हो रही है, उस वक्त मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था मेरी फिल्म के बारे, तो मुझे इतना मैंने फॉलो नहीं किया इस न्यूज़ को, लेकिन मैं डेफिनेटली चाहूँगा जी कि हर एक किस्म का जो एक फॉर्मुलेशन होता है कि आप पहले CBFC जाते हो, फिर आप रिवाइजिंग जाते हो, फिर ट्राइब्यूनल जाते हो, ये एक प्रोसेस होता है। तो मुझे नहीं लगता, मेरे ख्याल से ट्राइब्यूनल में गई है तो डेफिनेटली डिसीजन आएगा, और प्लस श्याम बेनेगल कमेटी ने भी इसका ये किया कि इसको अबॉलिश करना चाहिए। तो डेफिनेटली सरकार इस पर थोड़े दिनों में या कितने टाइम जो भी होगा, जो रिकमेंडेशन गई श्याम बेनेगल कमेटी की, उसको डेफिनेटली देखेगी और उस पर रिकमेंडेशन करेगी, एंड वो सब पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए अच्छा होगा। पर कितना समय, 1 साल तो हो गया सर,
लेकिन टाइम तो लगता है ना, चीज़ें को बदलने में टाइम तो लगता
आपका
है।
विश्वास है मोदी सरकार पे?
100% विश्वास है।
और योगी सरकार पे?
100% विश्वास है।
आपको लगा?
और बताइए, और कौन सी सरकार? आप ये पूछिए हिंदू सरकार पे। चलिए, थैंक यू।
वेट मैम थैंक यू।
Ma'am, to your right. Ma'am, to your right.
Sir, look here. Sir, look here.
Sir.
Suraj, sir, look here.
Yeah. Left.
Society magazine is giving an award for the leadership award. What do you like to say about it?
I think all the best leaders should get an award because they work so hard towards it. I'm actually here because my mom is here, and I'm meeting my mom after very long, and I hope she's wearing a sari because.
According to you, what is the true leadership?
True
leadership. What qualities should have for the leadership?
You should be focused. You should be having your own willpower. You should be having your own sensibilities and your own views on, and you should stick to it. Yeah, I think that's being a leader.
What are your upcoming projects?
I'm starting a film now in 20-25 days from now. and it's a love story. It's an action love story. So, yeah.
Anything you like to reveal about that movie?
No, that's it. That's all I can say right now.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
Today's society magazine who is the leadership according to you? What do you like to say about it?
I think it's a beautiful, I wouldn't say initiative. It's a lovely idea and a thought because हर साल कितने साल कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा इंसान ज़रूर आता है who kind of does something path breaking and his her story needs to be told so that बहुत सारे लोग जो शायद वो करना चाहते हैं, जो वो दिल में सिर्फ एक विश रखते हैं कि काश मैं ऐसा कर सकता, उनके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी बहुत ज़रूरी है टाइम एंड अगेन कि यार अगर वो कर सकते हैं, अगर दे रोज फ्रॉम नथिंग टू ग्रेट हाइट्स, व्हाई नॉट आई. So I think time and again people need to be reminded to be given that boost, that encouragement, and the stories of such path breakers need to be told so that more people get inspired, and if not, in the least possible way, just step out and do whatever they want with all their heart. जो दिल में उनकी जो भी ख्वाहिश है, at least वो जीने की तमन्ना या that force to live that, वो कभी मरना नहीं चाहिए.
What true leadership, what quality should have a
I think inspiration. Anybody can be a leader. I think मेरे लिए शायद मेरे टीचर मेरे लीडर हों. So each to his own. किसी के लिए जैसे जैसे आप लाइफ में बढ़ते हैं, आपके लिए लीडर भी बढ़ता रहता है, depending on what you really want to do. So I think at my stage, I just want to, the list never ends. So anybody who you look up to, who gives you that inspiration कि नहीं यार, step up, live your life, do follow your dreams, I think that for me would be my leader.
Begum Jani. Sir, Begum Jani secretary अपने
जी.
How do you feel about it?
Excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited, and I hope it does very well. There's also Aisha, my virtual girlfriend, which is doing very, very well. And I just want to tell people, films, web content. Again, web content is something so new. We're trying to do something path breaking, and Aisha के लिए I'm really happy because we're leaders in the first sci-fi web series of India. So I wish more people जो कहानीकार हैं, जो कहानियाँ लिखते हैं, जो एक्टिंग करते हैं, step up, and जिनको कभी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला, मूवीज़ का नहीं and सीरियल्स का नहीं, तो एक छोटा सा जो इनिशिएटिव है to build up the web content. I wish more people take inspiration and step up and live their dreams, tell their stories. Thank you for that question.
Good evening, Flora.
Hi.
You have to keep your look on the center.
All right.
The questions can be showered from all
Perfect.
sides.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Flora, the thing is you have been promoting your film Begum Jani.
Ji.
I've been to Kapil Sharma show.
Yes.
How was the experience?
I can't tell you. It has been one of the best experiences of my life because I remember watching Kapil Sharma's show so many times and wishing, kash, and suddenly there was Begum Jani, and we were on the Kapil Sharma show. So again, coming back to tonight's award and the theme for today, leadership, I just want to tell people that never stop wishing. You never know what wish comes true, because I never thought I would be on Kapil Sharma's show one day, and I always wanted to, and I said कि कभी इतनी बड़ी पिक्चर करेंगे तो वहाँ पे जाने को मिलेगा. But dreams can come true any time, so just keep doing your work, follow your dreams, follow your passion, and who knows.
पर सुनील और कपिल अलग हो गए
जी.
डोल्ड्रम्स चल रहा है
जी.
क्या होगा इसका, मतलब आप क्या चाहती हैं क्या हो जाए?
यार अब मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को बहुत प्यार से एक दूसरे के साथ रहना चाहिए, एंड आई विश दे मेक पीस बिकॉज वी विल मिस देम, द होल कंट्री इज गोना मिस देम, एंड दे हैव बीन सो एंटरटेनिंग एंड दे हैव मेड सो मेनी पीपल लाफ. सो आई विश द टू ऑफ देम गेट बैक टुगेदर. दैट इज़ माई विश फॉर देम, एंड या रेस्ट ऑल लेफ्ट टू गॉड.
Good evening, how are you?
Leadership, what it means to you?
Leadership, I think leadership जो भी हो, I think in a very right manner, in a very positive manner, वो देश को चलाए, society को चलाए. For me, leadership is that.
आज आप यहाँ like you will presenting an award like in
I really don't know, but I'm very happy to be a part of this award function, and I am very excited, and I'm looking forward for a really good like award show happening and good performances happening.
मैम ट्रू लीडरशिप होने के लिए क्या क्वालिटीज़ चाहिए रहती है एक इंसान में?
I think हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा बता दिया है हम लोगों को कि लीडरशिप की क्वालिटीज़ क्या होती हैं। लीडरशिप में ऐसे कौन लीडर जो हमारे देश का होना चाहिए, या लीडर कौन होना चाहिए, उसमें क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए। हमारे पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सब कुछ हमें बता दिया है, इससे ज़्यादा हमें कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। एंड इतना अच्छा लगता है कि द सोसाइटी इज़ चेंजिंग, हमारा देश चेंज हो रहा है, एंड इट इज़ चेंजिंग फॉर गुड, फॉर बेटरमेंट, एंड बहुत खुशी है दैट वी हैव आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर विद अस नाउ।
यू थिंक जो इनिशिएटिव जो वो लिए जा रहे हैं, प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं यूपी में अबाउट द फॉर वुमेन एंड एवरीथिंग, दे आर ऑन द पाथ?
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक जो भी यूपी में हो रहा है, काफ़ी कुछ वुमेन के लिए चेंजेस हो रहे हैं। अभी तो पूरी तरह से
रोमियो स्क्वाड और
हाँ,
ये और
काफ़ी कुछ अभी एक मूव पे है, अभी तक प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन आई एम श्योर जो आ चुके हैं यूपी में हमारे श्री योगी जी, और वो जो करेंगे वो कमाल करेंगे, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर, क्योंकि उन्होंने वैसे भी जब तक वो गोरखपुर से थे तब तक उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ गोरखपुर के लिए किया है, एंड अब वो एंटायर जो यूपी के लिए करेंगे, आई एम श्योर वो बहुत अच्छा करेंगे।
संभावना कहाँ और दिखोगी आप आने वाले समय में?
मैं फ़िलहाल यहाँ दिख रही हूँ आप लोगों के सामने, और जहाँ जहाँ आप होंगे वहाँ मैं होंगी, और जहाँ मैं होंगी आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं नज़र आई जाओगे।
राजनीति में आने का आपने सोचा है?
राजनीति में आने का मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा है। आई थिंक मैं अगर पॉलिटिशियन बन जाऊँ, सो आई थिंक मैं करप्शन से बहुत दूर होंगी, मैं करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन बन नहीं सकती हूँ। सो आई थिंक एक आज तक का जो एक हमारा नज़रिया रहा है पॉलिटिक्स के लिए, वो ये रहा है कि पॉलिटिशियंस बहुत करप्ट होते हैं, लेकिन फॉर्चुनेटली हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने आकर ये काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं, और अगर ये चेंजेस आने वाले वक्त में हुए तो, और करप्शन नहीं हुआ और हमारे पॉलिटिक्स में पैसा वैसा खाने वाली चीज़ें नहीं हुई, देन आई वुड लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स।
बात करें संभावना, आप नेता?
आई डोंट थिंक नेता की तो फिलहाल नहीं बात करेंगे, बट अगर हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए, हमारी सोसाइटी मैगजीन के लिए यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, सोसाइटी के लिए अगर हम लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हैं एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो हम सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है, और देश का भला होगा, सोसाइटी का भला होगा। तो
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Today, Society Magazine is giving all the winner for the leadership presentation. What do you like to say about it?
It's a very good platform for the newer people to show their art, and from various fields. Like we all know from the interiors, the music and all. I don't think so anybody would have recognized. It's just a platform for you to get more better in life, and it helps you, motivates you, these awards, to get to prove yourself, and I would say that the real winners should win, because it gives them that opportunity to show something to the society, something new to the society, what they have presented, like from various fields which we are unaware of. We have already seen the new, the older ones, but there are such new talent in all, in whether it's Bollywood, there is all new talent. So it's a good platform to recognize these deserved achievers.
So for true leadership, what qualities should have in a human?
It's everybody has the leadership always shows something which it's outstanding than the other people. It is like something which is hatke, you can just say in a short form, that what the others couldn't achieve. Maybe everybody has a forte in a different field, so one of their fortes, if they come out and they persistent about it and they show it to our society, I think that person is a winner.
Rishika, probably you are getting an award tonight. I heard it. you are awarded for your leadership qualities and taking your brand and your company towards the next level?
I didn't know I was getting an award, but since you're saying, I'll be very happy if I get an award. Why not, you know? Any award is an achievement of what you worked on, what you've really hard worked, you put an effort on. So I would say that it'll be a pleasure. Yeah?
Thank you so
Thank you.
थोड़ा जोर से मेरे भाई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही.
Society magazine is giving an award to all the person for their leadership. What do you like to say about it?
I think it's a great thing, you know, for any person to receive such an honor. And I think when you work all your life so hard to achieve your goals and you get recognized for it, I think it's a huge thing. And I feel society is doing a damn good thing.
What qualities should have for leadership? For good leadership?
I think you have to do good to others. You know, you have to achieve your goals and without any personal agendas, you should do good to the society. So I think that's a time when you actually leave a mark in the society, and I think it's very important for any individual to do that.
So is it true you're doing an international project?
Yeah, this one which is in the pipeline, and hopefully they'll come early next year, and fingers crossed, many more to come now.
So other than that, any upcoming project?
Yeah, this is one. I'm right now coming from Hyderabad. I'm shooting for a Telugu film. Then for my home production also, I'm planning to start 2 movies this year. And like I said, things are looking pretty exciting here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.
In some time. Please join us. Let's take a look at our next award winner's journey so far. Let's have the audio visual, please. Congratulations, sir. He's an industrialist, a philanthropist. Dr. Anil Murarka. Leadership should come with a social conscience. Hi. He's also won various awards like the Shurveer Award, Prerna Award, and the awards Zindagi Ke. Please give it up for Dr. Anil Murarka. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies, you were absolutely gorgeous. Congratulations, Dr. Anil. Welcome, sir. Zordar taali honi chahiye, yaar. Come on. Everybody here. Welcome, sir. Tonight, so I would like to start talking about him. All right, we've all seen him on stage earlier. Raymond Group, Mr. Gautam Singhania on stage. And it'll be completely incomplete if we do not have his beautiful wife on stage with him. Nawaz, can we request you to please join him on stage? Behind every successful man is a gorgeous, gorgeous lady. Come. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. And Thank you so much. All the very best. है एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी रिमेंबर हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स हमें बहुत डांटते थे. सो अ फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम टू एवरीबडी हु इज हियर टुडे. अच्छा चलिए एक बारी सबको थैंक यू बोल दीजिए.
थैंक यू मैडम.
बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Sharad Alve and Harvinder.
The honors. Congratulations, Mr. Sharad Alve and Harvinder Singh Bindra. यहीं पर ही रहिए, यहीं पर ही रहिए. Wait. इनको अवार्ड देने के लिए हम कुछ और लोगों को भी स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहेंगे. If that's okay with you, we'll make it very special for you. We have none other than the legendary movie director, Mr. Subhash Ghai with us. Sir, may I request you to please join us along with Kirti Kulhari and Parvez Damania. Please join us on stage. A big round of applause for all of you. I think it's going to be a very special award, isn't it? Welcome, sir. Firstly, I think it doesn't feel like less than any Filmfare or any Stardust award to me tonight. So I think so many film directors, actor, actress. From Eros, we have Krishika. Wow, giving away the award to both of you. So congratulations, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Congratulations, gentlemen. I think ये आज की शाम की सबसे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट होने वाली है. पहले आप इधर आ जाइए, हम अवार्ड विनर्स को बुला लेते हैं. थैंक यू. कट कर दो भाई म्यूजिक. पहले तो सुभाष घई जी यहाँ पे, मेरे से तो बोला ही नहीं जा रहा है अब कुछ भी. सो ही हिमसेल्फ इज हियर. You also can't speak now. How do you feel getting an award from the legendary director himself?
What do you feel? I'm getting an award from a legendary director.
Totally honored, sir. Totally honored.
Why to speak louder?
I think sometimes, you know, words fall short and emotions वैसे ही इतने high होते हैं. So congratulations to both of you. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much to all of you. Subhash Ghai ji, thank you so much. We'll call you on stage in some time और मुझे आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, which we'll do in a few minutes. But thank you so much for doing the honors. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for a lovely panel of presenters. Thank you. To the gorgeous ladies. Thank you. So to present the next award for this evening, I would like to welcome on stage none other than Soul. One and only one. A big round of applause. Along with Sandhya Shetty and my very, very gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, sensational, one and only Shibani Kashyap. A big round of applause for her. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our beautiful ladies on stage. So एकदम सन्नाटा सा हो गया है looking at the ladies. All right. So let's take a look at the journey of our next award winner so far.
Thank you so much for recognizing this. I'm so very honored by Society Magazine, and you know, it's inspired me obviously to do more, bigger and better things, and you know, we're loving Mumbai. So thank you very much, Mumbai. It's been beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. That's so sweet. So maybe companionship, जब आपने बोला मुझे लगा maybe there should be somewhere where we can fix them up a dating services. Well, that'll be so cute, isn't it? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll request Mr. Sonu Sood to please stay back. I always hold back good-looking people. So please, a big round of applause for him. Please come here. तो पहले तो having six-pack abs is okay, but keeping them for 1 year, You don't eat anything? How does that go?
No, not 1 year, past 20 years. 20 years? Yeah.
How?
You know, you'll ask Madhur sir, you know, he's a director. He's one of the fittest directors we have. We work out together in the gym.
नहीं, वो तो fit किसी और reason की वजह से.
किस reason?
वो तो उनके actresses की fit. He's going to kill me. Every time I see, he's surrounded by so many beautiful women. And if I'm not wrong, you're married, right? तो शादी के बाद तो वैसे आधी motivation खत्म हो जाती है. But look at his motivation, you know. It's like, it's gorgeous to be surrounded by so many. So he has to be fit, isn't it? So how about you? अच्छा, okay, चलो. Question बदल देते हैं. How was your experience working with the legendary Jackie Chan? We saw you in so many places. I think that was fantastic. How was the experience?
I feel, you know, it's one of the most special experiences I ever had. He's one of the most grounded actor I ever come across. You know, when I met him for the first time, I remember in Dubai, and he was working on the sets like a spot boy, you know, picking chairs for other actors, you know, serving water to everyone. So lots to learn from him. You know, I think I almost spent 1 year with him, and, you know, you always see like a changed person when you work with a legend like Jackie. So I think truly, I was blessed, I would say.
Wonderful. So have you learned any Chinese words?
A little bit. You know, I actually learned Chinese for almost 20-25 days, but I couldn't find anyone to, you know, speak to. So yeah, you can? Ni hao. Wo ye hai na hao.
Any other word?
Other word, I'll say after we end the show.
यूजली हम इंडिया में तो बड़े अलग वर्ड सिखाते हैं. जैसे कोई इंडिया में आता है हम 2-3 गालियाँ सिखा देते हैं. So I hope they haven't done the same to you. No, they haven't. Okay. So thank you so much. We'll get you back on stage and have a little more conversations with you. But now is a very, very special moment of this evening for us. Well, firstly, I would like to wish my heartiest congratulations to all the impactful editor of Society Magazine, Ms. Suchitra Iyer, to join us on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on, everybody. इतने ठंडे नहीं रहना हमने. Let's give it up. Welcome, and finally the edition that we've all been waiting for. It's time for us to unveil the special Society Leadership Awards 2017 edition. And may I now request all the winners as well who won the Impactful Leader Award, Leadership Award, to please join us. Jitne bhi logon ne, I think we have given away 7 awards. Yes, we have Dr. Sunita here with us. Can I request all our other winners here? Mr. Sharad Alve, Harvinder Singh Bindra. क्या मुझे सबके नाम लेने पड़ेंगे एक-एक करके? I would like to welcome on stage Shri Gopal Kabra ji, Shirisha Guha, Mahavir Jain, Dr. Anil Murarka. Can I request all of you? If I've missed a name, then I'm really sorry, but let's have all the winners on stage. Dr. Kerki, please join us on stage. Welcome, sir. Sir, आप कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, महावीर जी. I'm very upset. Thank you so much for unveiling the most spectacular version of the Society Leadership Awards Magazine 2017. Right here, we have all the winners. To know more about them, you can go ahead and read the magazine. We'll have a copy for all of you. I hope you're interested in reading it, though. And these are the people who've truly carved a niche for themselves in the past few years. Of the film craft, none other than Mr. Ashutosh Govarikar! Woo! May I also request Ms. Zarina Wahab to please join us on stage for the Leading Light Awards to present them. Zarina Wahab, wherever you are, please join us. I'm so excited. For no reason, I'm getting to stand with Mr. Ashutosh Gowarikar. Okay, so firstly, how do you feel?
It feels wonderful, of course. You know, when you make movies, you're actually trying to express a feeling. And it's about what you feel about the environment that you are in. So it can be something patriotic, it can be nationalistic, it can be religious tolerance. Or my recent one was about environment. When you're making them, you're not thinking about any contribution. And so it's wonderful to be receiving an award such as this. Thank you, Mr. Hira. Because it just gives you, it's a kind of reminder that you need to keep growing, you need to keep expanding, you need to keep reinventing, rediscovering, handling more themes. So thank you very much.
I was just looking only because, okay, but I want to ask you that a few questions, especially लिखवाए हैं मैंने आज की शाम के लिए. So we would like to know that a few questions. We would like to see कि आप अपनी history को कितने अच्छे से याद रखते हैं. वो कहते हैं लोग जब आगे बढ़ जाते हैं और बहुत success मिल जाता है वो अपना past भूल जाते हैं. And I'm sure you're not one of those. So we are going to test you tonight. Are you ready for that? Okay. Now, this movie had two Bollywood stars coming together on the screen for the very first time and the only time. Which movie is it? And name at least 3 more stars who acted and who made a cameo in that scene.
Failed.
A success. Pehla Disha. Thank you so much. How could you forget?
I forget my own history.
Okay, एक और question. You can't fail in this one. Okay, you impressed Javed Akhtar ji so much that he came to you after watching a movie and said it was the greatest movie ever made. Which movie was that?
See, these are all very pompous and arrogant questions which will demand an arrogant answer, but I will humbly say he said Lagan.
Oh, lovely. Is that the right answer? We have the right answer person there. Okay, now is it true that during the production of Lagan, Aamir Khan was left back in the hotel because he was late and bus chhoot gayi?
Yeah, that is correct. Because these are rules that we had set for ourselves. And in a way, it bounced back at Aamir on that particular day. After that, he was never late.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. And now that's what it takes to be one of the most ace directors of Bollywood. Let's give it up for Ashutosh Gowarikar. Thank you so much, sir.
So I want to give it up for Mr. Nari Hira, who I like to call, he's one of the first movie moguls. He's the one who started the video boom, as I like to call it. So let's hear it from Mr. Hira.
I made the maximum noise. Congratulations, sir. All right. Moving from films, it's time for us to get into some fashion because movies are... Congratulations, Pallavi ji. Thank you so much for being here. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार कोई तालियां नहीं बजा रहा था जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए And ma'am जो आप बोलना चाहें. Our winner could not be here with us, but let's hear a big round of applause for none other than Mr. Ujjwal Nikam. May I request his son Aniket Nigam and his daughter Sharwari Khalap to please come up on stage and receive the award on behalf of him. Hi, welcome, congratulations. What a proud moment it is for you guys. pride, I'm sure, of the glamour industry. His movies like Page 3, Fashion and Traffic Signal earned him the commercial success and catapulted him to being one of India's most credible directors. Now, a Padma Shri winner, Madhur Bhandarkar has 3 national awards in his kitty. Fresh after the completion of Indu Sarkar, a movie on 1975 emergency starring the pink actress Kriti Kulhari, he is nothing less than a super icon in Bollywood. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the very good-looking, the very dashing Madhur Bhandarkar, our leading light for this evening. Congratulations, sir. बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. We meet yet again. मुझे तो पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. You'll anyway say. So here we go.
Jalwa hai. You know, constantly telling good-looking directors surrounded by girls. मेरी बीबी सामने बैठी हुई है. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much. First and foremost, Nari ji, for me, it's a very big honor to get Meghna Publication Award, especially from you. As a kid, I remember I couldn't afford starters that time. So I remember going to the Radhi shop and buying starters at 1 rupee and half, 8 ane mein, 4 ane mein 2 jaise bolte the na, that time. So, and I used to read completely starters. So I think it's a great moment for me getting award from you. I've never thought I would receive award from you. And so many awards. I think I would like to thank everybody who has contributed to my journey, my actors, my producers, my music directors, everybody who has contributed to the success of my cinema, my family, everybody. And wife, of course, family. And it's a great journey. Started from a video cassette library to here. It's really a great journey. And thank you so much, Nari Saab and Meghna Publication and all the jury members who honored me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And wishing you all the success for your upcoming film. May you do very well. I meant he's a very good looking in a brother sense of the way. सारी लड़कियों को लगता है कितना good looking भाई है हमारा. I'm sorry, I take that back. I don't know why they don't brief me well on all these situations. Congratulations, Sonu. You know, recently I was doing a show with Mahi, MS Dhoni, and उनसे कुछ बात हो रही थी. उन्होंने कहा, it's the moments when you break down in life is when what teaches you the most about life. जब आप success के pinnacle पे होते हैं तब तो कुछ सीखते नहीं हैं. जब आप बिल्कुल low होते हैं. So can you share that moment where you felt that, dude, it's not going to happen, and suddenly, you know, something sparked and it worked for you?
Yeah, first of all, I want to share a very special moment, sir. I don't know whether ever I've spoken about it. You know, I was in college, I was doing my engineering, and in my second, third year, I just thought that I want to become an actor. I got a portfolio clicked, and at the time, Stardust was doing this manhunt. They were looking out for actors. Many of the pictures, Beji, you know, and I was waiting for that call to come, and after a month or so, I got those pictures back. Boss, we don't think so. You are fit for it. You have to work hard. And I said, yeah. इनको शायद ना टैलेंट की परख नहीं है इसलिए वापस भेज दिए. But then I said, you know, I have to really work hard and, you know, have to prove myself. So I think it took those 20 years to get this from you, and I want to thank Meghna, Narihira sir, Suchitra ji, Ashok ji for always there for me and, you know, motivating me. You know, I don't have my parents now, but I think the whole industry, all the people in the industry are my parents who guide me and motivate me all the time, you know. My mom always used to say that, you know, you know, you have miles to go before you sleep. Yeah, still miles to go before I sleep, and the journey is on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I can tell you that they're all very fond of you because the only word we heard was Sonu's coming, Sonu's coming. So heartiest congratulations to you. And if I want to lose 5 kgs, how do I do that? Please tell me.
You can take my number. You'll use it.
Okay, we're doing that. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our leading lights, Sonu Sood, right here. Thank you so much for being here with us. Okay, they say that you always save the best for the last. And we have done just that tonight. I would request Kritika Lulla also to please join us on stage and do the honors. जोरदार होनी चाहिए. Come on everybody, let's hear it. Last award for this evening. Can I request Ketki Kulhari, please come join us on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Firstly, so excited. It's a dream come true for me that I'm standing next to Subhash Ghai ji. It's so fabulous. So, इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Then we'll play a little game with you.
First of all, I'm honored, and my hearty thanks to Nari Hira, Suchitra ji, and Society Leadership Awards. I was wondering when I was coming, what I'm going to get now. I've done it all, I've seen it all. So they told me that you are getting Society Leadership Award. तो मैंने कहा कि एक तो सोसाइटी बड़ी मुश्किल है, दूसरे ये लीडर, उसके ऊपर शिप, फिर उसके बाद अवार्ड, उसके बाद 2017, फिर उसके बाद सेलिब्रेटिंग ट्रू लीडरशिप. ये पांचों जो चीज़ें हैं बड़ी मुश्किल है. लीडर बनना बड़ा मुश्किल है. मीन्स आपके आगे कोई है ही नहीं. You are just going and people are following you. उसके बाद शिप, उस शिप में है जिस शिप की कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं, इन्फिनिटी है. It's a very hard task to be leader. So सर, आप लोग प्रॉब्लम में हैं, गौरकर साहब, मधुर वानरकर साहब और सब लोग जिन्होंने अवार्ड लिया है. आजकल लीडरशिप के चक्कर में और इसको सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But I must share you one secret. Then when she called me as a beloved showman, this all credit goes to one person, and his magazine, his name is Nari Hira, and his magazine. When I read first time in my life that here is a man who's called Showman Subhash Ghai, so I really felt very bad. Because in our Punjabi, showman means show off. I did not understand. I said, probably, stardust, stardust. There is always cheek behind the lines. So then I asked him one day in the other party, Nari, then he told me, I said, why Subhash Ghai is showman? Showman is one person, is Raj Kapoor Sahab hai, hamare guru hai. He says, no, showman means the man who thinks big, who makes big pictures, big frames, big music, big sound, big story, larger than life, and plus big parties, big booze. Then I said, yeah, I accept that. Thank you. Thank you very much for it. And it was lovely. Thank you, Krishka, coming here. But trust me, leadership, to be leader is a responsibility. And it is a huge responsibility how to create the younger generation as a filmmaker. So I'm taking one responsibility at this age of my time when I'm trying to create filmmakers now. And Whistling Wood is proud enough to complete its 10th year, and we have so many brilliant talent in Whistling Wood, and I'm proud of it. Thank you. नाम आप कुछ पूछिए, क्या सवाल पूछ? हाँ पूछिए.
ओके सो मैं नर्वस हूँ पूछते हुए, लेकिन अगर आज के समय में वी नो वी हैव न्यू एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस एंड एवरीबडी, सो कुछ जॉनर्स मैं आपको बताऊंगी, अगर आप मुझे बताएं कि इस जॉनर में आप किसको कास्ट करना चाहेंगे. ओके, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके, अगर आप बनाते हैं अ स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी तो आप किसको कास्ट करेंगे?
वरुण धवन.
विद
आलिया भट्ट. रिसेंट हिट हुआ ना.
Okay, if we make a genre which is murder mystery.
मर्डर मिस्ट्री के लिए मुझे एक ही आदमी नजर आता है जो बहुत किस करता है. क्या नाम है उसका? वो जो किस बहुत करता है, इमरान हाशमी. क्योंकि मर्डर किस से शुरू होता है, सॉल्यूशन में किस में होता है.
नॉट बैड. ओके, फिर आपने मर्डर मिस्ट्री तो इमरान हाशमी को दे दिया. अगर हम अगला जॉनर बनाते हैं एन अडल्ट कॉमेडी, फिर आप किसको कास्ट करेंगे?
हमारे देश के एक चीफ मिनिस्टर है, उनका बेटा, अभागा बेटा, रितेश देशमुख. अभागा बेटा.
A big round of applause for that. Okay, and now supposingly we decide कि हम इन सब से अलग चले जाते हैं. Let's make a, जो सैफ अली खान already बोल चुके हैं, maybe he's making a second version of this, a zombie horror film.
Myself.
All right, let's have a big round of applause. So Subhash Goyal ji, congratulations. Thank you so much for being here. And एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for all our leading lights. बिल्कुल तालियों में आवाज नहीं है यार. Bombay, is that all we about? Let's have a big round of applause for all the winners. Come on. Woo! That's more like it. I like it. All right. लेकिन we come to an end of the award ceremony. I'm sure सब लोग बहुत जल्दी में all across India. She's been supplying to a lot of countries abroad. So thank you so much, Asma, for being here with us. And we have Vasant Bhandari ji. Thank you so much for being here. Also, we would like to thank Pankaj Sampath, Shalini Sethi and team. A special mention to our trophy partner, Creative Awards and Rewards. The very hardworking PR partner, Karmic Media. And with this, we would also like to thank our wonderful, wonderful audience. एक बार जोरदार तालियां अपने लिए हो जाए for being such a spectacular audience. Thank you so much. I hope each one of you had a great time because we loved spending every minute with you. Please do join us for dinner and cocktails. Don't go anywhere. The party continues. Thank you so much, sir. No, sir. Please.